Keep paddling, Jan. Woo! There's the beach we just left. KAYAKIng, also known as KAYAKIng. And we're going to that island, that land right over there to the left of us. On the right side of that big smokestack, the white beach. It took us 45 minutes to get out here earlier. See how long it takes for Jan to paddle us in. She's paddling. She's doing a good job. People keep going by in boats and wave runners. Yeah, they keep making waves for us. Okay, then we gotta get in the wave just right, and it should push us into the left. Or not. The waves are coming pretty good. Whoa!
Oh, that's fun.
Here we are, Edmont National Wild Refuge. You can see we got here by Yak Yak. That's our inflatable kayak. I'm from these little two towers right over there. Come to the left of that, Fort DeSoto Park Beach. It's a nice little kayak. There's the skyline bridge. We have ferry boats that bring people out here. Let's take a walkway over here to the lighthouse. Yes, we're going to take the walkway. I do not want to walk through that. There's some wildlife here, some birds. A lot of miscellaneous seashells. Shell right here. Edmont Key Lighthouse. Golf is beautiful. See what we can see of this lighthouse. An old fort, Fort Dade. To your right, there's the Sky Bridge. We're in St. Petersburg, Florida, is over to the left. We're heading towards Fort DeSoto. beach in Florida. We just left Edgemont Key, Florida, island, key. You can see where we've been. We have an inflatable kayak. I can't tell you what it is right now because I'm not really sure. We're in our inflatable kayak. We started out at Fort DeSoto. We're in the Gulf of Mexico in Florida. But the Edgemont Key, right back there. And now we're heading back to Fort DeSoto. Been seeing dolphins out here earlier. Inflatable kayaks are really nice. We have a tandem you can take and go. We've had a couple minor holes. We patched them. The best way I found to patch them is I use a bicycle tube patch. Works pretty good. The kind of patch, it came with a patch kit, but it didn't have any glue. So I used one kind of glue, and it didn't work very well. The patch come loose when we were out here earlier, a month or so ago. So I've got two, and I've used bicycle tube patches. They seem to work pretty good. Pretty nice when you get the little waves. It's just as long as it's not too big of a wave. Our maximum trip in this has probably been 2 miles out to an island, but not really sure. It took us about 45 minutes. Then we went back. Yeah, we're really not in a hurry. As long as we get back before dark, that's the main thing. You can see the sun way up high. The boat goes by, it makes little waves. Well, I'll make another video of putting our kayak away. When we're in the salt water, we always take it back and wash it down with soap and water. And before you to put them away, it also came with a backpack carrier. You can get it all in there, but all except the life jackets, but it's a little tough. But I'll do another video on putting it away after it's completely dry. Then I'll do one on getting it out. For now, I think I will turn off the video and concentrate on helping my leader up there. I'm following the leader.